Take a ride in the 2013 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, four-wheel drive, XM satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, air conditioning, power steering, remote vehicle start, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.